Y'all come with me to check out this food truck that I've been seeing on Facebook. It's called The Porch House. So you do have to follow their pages so you can know where they're posted up at. They be at different locations all throughout the week, so you have to like look at their page so you can know where they at and the hours that they're going to be there. Okay, so y'all, I got my food. I wanted to record my first bite, but a piece of chicken that fell off, and I picked it up and I ate it, and it was good. So I started eating my chicken sandwich, but it was a big chicken sandwich, as you can see in the picture. So this is all I have left. I have half of it left. I'm full, but this banana pudding I've been hearing about, and I'm about to try it in just a second.